We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for ChatGPT. Look for the app developed by OpenAI and tap on Get to download and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the app by tapping on its icon from your home screen. When you first open the app, you might be prompted to log in or create an account. If you already have an OpenAI account, simply enter your login details. If not, you can quickly create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main screen of the ChatGPT app. Here, you'll see a text box at the bottom, where you can type your questions or prompts. Once you type in your query, tap the Send button to initiate the conversation. ChatGPT will respond almost instantly. You can continue the conversation by typing additional questions or comments in the text box and sending them. If you want to adjust settings or learn more about the app's features, look for the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, typically located at the top corner of the app. Here, you can manage your account settings, check for updates, or explore more about what ChatGPT offers. Remember to keep your app updated to enjoy the latest features and improvements. With these steps, you're all set to use ChatGPT on your iPhone for a seamless conversational AI experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.